In this video, I want to talk about how you can reverse out of a parking spot. Now, this is pretty simple, guys, so let's get started. Now, if what you're doing is this and you're hitting other cars, then this is totally wrong and we don't want to be doing this. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to make sure that your wheels are straight and that your car is in reverse. Now, once we've done this, we just want to quickly check behind us and make sure that there are no cars. And after this, we want to back out slowly until that our car hits about the front or the back of the cars next to us. So you can see right here, it hits about the front. So the front of our car hits either the front or the back of the other cars. Now, once we've done this, we just want to check again before we drive out further if there are any cars coming. And after this, what we want to do is we want to turn our steering wheel. We want to turn it to the opposite side of the way that we want to go. So here, if you do it right, and then you start reversing out, you're going to land in this position. Then once you're here, you want to make sure that you just fix your wheels real quick and make them straight. And then you are ready to go. So fix your wheels and you can now drive straight and you can drive off. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.